Thinking of owning a property in Malaysia? Here's your 1-minute guide to getting it right. First up, BLT. No, not the sandwich. BLT means budget, location, and type. Decide how much you can comfortably spend, where you want to live, and what kind of property suits your lifestyle. Next, team up with a licensed professional agent. They're your guide through the legal maze and can help you avoid costly mistakes. Found the perfect place? You'll pay a booking fee to reserve it and sign a letter of offer. Then comes the mortgage application. Get your documents ready and compare banks for the best deal. Once approved, you'll sign the sale and purchase agreement and settle the down payment. After that, you wait for vacant possession, meaning the keys are finally yours. Remember, do your homework, work with professionals, and stick to your BLT. Don't forget to budget for extra costs and fees, like legal fees, stamp duty, and agent commissions. That's how you buy a home in Malaysia, stress-free. Comment or contact me for more info.